Video demonstration of how to perform a factory reset on the Casio SE-S100 cash register. First of all, with the machine powered off, press and hold down the feed button and then turn the key round to the PGM mode. Release feed and then type in the following code 11240. Press subtotal and subtotal again, and the machine will perform its reinitialization. Please note this procedure will reset the programming data as well as all the sales data, so the machine will be back to its original default out the box factory setting, so only perform if you're happy to lose all data. Once the initialization has been performed, you'll get a receipt printout confirming what's happened, and then you can either stay in the PGM mode to program the machine or turn to register to start selling. For more information on using Casio cash registers, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit casiohelp.co.uk. Thanks for watching.